Where's the color pink? Hindi, doon sa kabila. What's that? Where's the pig? Sige, where's the pig?
Pink?
Ano ba talaga? Ano ba gusto mo? Nasa kanina, nasa colors ako. Ngayon, nandito ako. Umuha mo sa kabila. Ano gusto mo? Where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? Yay! Where's the dog? Dog.
Duck.
Dog. Where's the cat?
Hat.
Ay, ituro mo na mabuti, nak.
Hat.
Where's the rabbit?
No.
No, there's no rabbit there. There is. Very good. Where's the cattle?
No.
No, again. Where's the cattle?
No.
Meron. There's a cattle there. Where's the cattle? Don't know the cattle is? Hindi kayo ni ate sa'yo cattle. Ah, sige. Where's the goose?
No.
No, then. There's a goose there. How about, that's horse. How about the cow?
Oh.
Cow. How about the donkey?
No.
Oh, there's a donkey there. You don't know the donkey, the cattle, and the goose? Where's the sheep?
Sheep.
Sheep, very good. Turo ni mama, ah. This one is the donkey. This is the donkey. Cattle, goose. Again, goose, cattle, donkey. Again. Goose. Mireya, look at mama. Goose. Ayan na naman, ang haharot ka na naman eh. Oo. Ay, turo mo yung color black kay mama. Sige na. Where's the black one? Where's the black? Where's the black? Where's the black?
What?
Black.
What?
Black. No, that's not black. Where's the black one?
What?
Yan, very good. Black. Where's the red? Red. That's not the red. Where's the red? Red. Very good. Where's the color pink? Where's the purple? Purple.
Papa.
Green. Yellow. Brown. Gray. Gray.
Wait.
Gray. No, that's not gray. Where's the gray one?
What?
There's no white there. I'm saying gray.
Yeah.
Oh, where's the number one? Number one.
Why?
Here. One. Where's number one? You count.
Why?
Where's the one? Ay, tulo dali. Tulo. Where's the one? 9. Where's number 9?
No.
There's 9 there. No. Where's the 9?
No.
9. Meron.
Die.
Baliktad. No, that's not 9. That's 6. Where's the 9?
No.
Meron. You know na 9 eh. Yan o, diba? Where's number 2?
No.
2. Always no. You to stand up.
Up.
Up. Where's number 2?
2.
Very good. Where's number 8? Number 8. Where's number 8? Very good. How about number 3? 3. 3. How about number 10? 10. Yay, very good. Number 7. Number 4. Where's number 4? 4. Well, there is number 4 there. Come on. Where's number 4? Very good. Now you count. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. I told you to count. Huwag mo na pakialaman yung nakasabit dyan. No!
Ate.
Oh, that's Ate's short. Where's the apple? Where's the apple?
Apple.
That's color red. Where's the apple? Wow. Where's the orange? The fish. Fish.
Fish.
Where's the... What's that? Butterfly. There's a butterfly. Ikaw, where's the butterfly?
Mama.
No, Mama, there's a butterfly, anak. How about the penguin? Where's the penguin? There. Oh, that's the butterfly.
Why?
Butterfly. How about? Ano ba yun? Where is the ano? Ano ba yun? Snowball. Where's the snowball? Snowman pala. Snowman. Where's the snowman?
Mm.
Yay! Snowball eh, no? Where's the octopus? Octopus. I don't know the octopus. This one is the octopus, anak ko. This. Eto, ano to? Tumatakbong ano yan. I don't know what to call that. This one is B. B. I think this one is... Ano ba to? Wolf? Is this wolf?
Duck.
Duck yan. Hindi yan duck. That's not a duck. Tinanggal mo kasi dun yung letters mo eh. Hindi tuloy natin makita eh.
Wow.
Oh, you count again. 1. Where's number 1? 2. Where's number 2? Where's number 2? 3. 4. Where's number 4, anak? 4. Tagal naman sumagot ng anak ko. Pagod na? Are you tired? Oh, are you tired? You want to sleep na? Oh, sleep na tayo.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Sleep na, anak. Sige na. Later na again. Very good, anak ko. Very good, baby loves ko. I love you. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. Oh, no. Bye. Lo. Say bye. 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 Lo. Ano? Say bye-bye na, anak. Bye. Bye na, bye. Ay, bye.